I want to share something. We provide all type of question solution in PDF and handwritten. Also, if you need answers of any type of subject or course, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number 900-936-8238. Now question 2. Describe the methods used in formulating an investigation in social psychology research, specifically addressing the methods of data collection and methods of analysis. 3. Discuss the factors influencing interpersonal attraction, focusing on the roles of physical attractiveness, propinquity/proximity, and similarity in forming and maintaining relationships. Section B. Answer the following questions in about 400 words each. 5 times 5 is equal to 25 marks. 4. Discuss the interrelationships between social psychology and other disciplines. 5. Discuss the errors in attribution, specifically focusing on the fundamental attribution